However, maganda. So, dahil nakikita ko yung mga yung previous na novel yun, na umutot pa na sila. Tsaka noon yun, sa Vela, Baguio. Kaya meron akong idea. You guys are very organized. And, you know, doing this at the local stream. Kaya doon ako na-impress. Basta nakita itong yung product ninyo dito. Kasi itong bahay na ito, wala ba kain? Wala dito sa San Carlos ang similar design at saka yung color scheme. Diba? Nausap ko ang Pastana. It's a uniform entity in this particular field. And naobserbahan ko ang Pastana is rapidly expanding. Not only in Luzon, but you guys are thinking about going south. I'm happy about it.